Hi guys, just going to cover one of the ways that you can sketch straight lines, and one of the easiest ways is by finding your x and y intercepts. Now, one of the reasons why you want to use this method is generally if you are sketching straight lines, then it's pretty important that you indicate on your graph where your y-intercept is and where your x-intercept is. And if you can find those 2 points, then you can just join your dots and that will actually give you a quick sketch of what your straight line looks like. Now, in order to find these 2 points, it's relatively simple. If you want to find an x-intercept, all you need to do into your equation, no matter what form it's in, is that you just have to substitute y equals 0. And the reason for that is it doesn't matter if your line's going down this way or up this way or whichever way, wherever it crosses your x-axis, it's always going to have a y-coordinate of 0. For your y-intercept, it's the opposite. Again, it doesn't matter if it's going down this way, up this way, or whichever which way. Wherever your y-intercept occurs, your x-coordinate is always 0. So you just need to sub in x equals 0 into your equation. So a couple of quick examples. First one, just want to sketch something basic. So we've got 3x plus y equals 9. Now it doesn't matter which one you find first, but I normally try to find the y-intercept first. So I'm just going to write down, I'm going to calculate my y-intercept. And the way that I do that is I'm going to sub x equals 0. So I'm just going to replace my x up here with 0. So we will have 3 times 0 plus y equals 9. And you just work your way through. So 3 times 0 is 0. So you're just going to be left with y equals 9, which means my y-intercept is just at 9. So then I'm going to find my x-intercept. So for my x-intercept, what I'm going to do is sub y as 0. So if I replace my y, so my original y with a 0, I will be left with 3x plus 0 equals 9. Now 3x plus 0 is just 3x. And then to get rid of this 3, I just need to divide 9 by 3. So it's going to be x is equal to 3. So then when I draw my quick sketch, draw my axes first. My y-coordinate is going through 9, so I'm going to say that 9 is up here somewhere. My x-intercept is down at 3, so 3 I'm going to say is down here. It doesn't have to be a scale. And then basically we just draw a line that's going through those 2 points. So my line's going to be going through here. Just remember to write your axes in, so that's my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and you really should label your line as well. So when you label your line, it's just your original equation, which I had up here, the 3x plus y equals 9. So I'm just going to write 3x plus y equals 9, and you're done. Alright, one more quick example. So I'm going to sketch 2x plus 5y equals 10. So this time I'm actually going to find my x-intercepts first. So for the x-intercept, all I need to do is sub y is equal to 0. So I'm going to have 2x plus 5 times 0 equals 10. 5 times 0 is just 0, so I'm going to be left with 2x equals 10. I need to get x by itself, so I need to divide 10 by 2. So x is going to be equal to 5. So my x-intercept is at 5. Just need to find my y-intercept now. So my y-intercept, all I need to do is sub x is equal to 0. So I'm going to have 2 times 0 plus 5y is equal to 10. 2 times 0 is just 0, so I'm just going to be left with 5y equals 10. To get y by itself, just need to divide 10 by 5, so I'm going to have y is equal to 2. So now I just need to draw my sketch. So, draw my axes first. Got my x, my y-axis. My y-intercept is at 2, so I'm going to say that 2 is approximately there. My x-intercept was at 5, so positive 5 is roughly there. And now I'm just going to draw my line through those 2 points. Preferably use a ruler. And then I just need to label my line, which was my original equation, which was 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. And that's just one of the methods of sketching straight lines. Thanks for listening. Catch you next time.